Hello mushroom growers, how are you? I think you will be happy and healthy. I myself Apuru Kumar Singh, software developer and computer programmer, and as you know mushroom cultivation is my hobby. Today I am going to release a new video from my channel Mushroom Kings, that how to clean mushroom before eating. Mushrooms can be a delectable addition to any meal or sometimes the meal itself if you are using juicy portobello mushrooms, but making sure they are clean can be daunting. In order to thrive, mushrooms need to be grown in damp, dark conditions surrounded by dirt, so it makes sense you might want to clean them before eating them, because mushrooms are 80 to 90% water and can be eaten raw or cooked. Simply washing them off may not always be the best answer. Mushrooms should be refrigerated in a brown paper bag in the crisper dryer of your refrigerator until they are ready to use. Cleaning mushrooms in advance can cause them to absorb too much water, making them slimy. What to know before cleaning? When you are ready to use mushrooms in a recipe, it's time to consider how they should be cleaned. Here are some points coming soon in my next slide, which are showing how to clean mushrooms before eating. What to know before cleaning? When you are ready to use mushrooms in a recipe, it's time to consider how they should be cleaned. Be gentle, because the skin of a mushroom is delicate. It's important to be gentle when cleaning, regardless of the type of mushroom. Clean before cutting. It is also important to wash mushrooms prior to any cutting, as exposed flesh or gills will soak up water. Make it quick. When cleaning mushrooms, it's important to remember that mushrooms just need a quick shower and should never be soaked for long periods of time. To clean, dry completely. The most important step is making sure they are dried off prior to cooking. Here, to dry does not mean to sun dry or electric dry, but hang mushrooms with the help of cloth to remove excess water, or put in any net type thing so that excess water come out from mushroom. For prepping mushrooms to enjoy raw, if you plan to eat the mushrooms raw, use a dry toothbrush to gently brush away any dirt. For prepping mushrooms to cook, using a salad spinner is the easiest way to rid mushrooms of debris and dirt. Toss them into the salad spinner with cold water, give a few dunks and swishes with your hands, then dry. How to clean mushrooms without a salad spinner? If you don't have a salad spinner, fill a glass bowl with cool water Add the mushrooms into the water briefly 1 to 2 minutes and you will be able to see the dirt settled onto the bottom of the glass bowl. Remove from the bowl and use a dry towel to blot up any excess water. Risks of not cleaning mushrooms. Not washing mushrooms can increase the risk of ingesting something pretty unsavory like pesticides or bacteria. To cut down on the exposure to harmful bacteria and pesticides, the USDA recommends buying local. Reducing transport time and distance can help limit the chances of contamination and bacterial growth. A handout from the USDA's National Institute of Food and Agriculture states.